Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. A couple of days ago we got a new update on the Supernote X platform, both A5X and A6X, and it's the update 0.264. So let's check out what does it bring to the A5X or A6X platform. It's not a huge update as far as new functionalities or anything like that goes. It's mainly focused on, I guess, maintenance and fixing things up, which is great because it fixes some of the important issues. So mainly we have the fixed user defined templates related error, which was that the template and the page contents were missing when loading a note, and in rare cases the current page was overwritten by note pages. So pretty much a big bug fixed. I haven't actually experienced that, but great that it's been fixed. Then additional fixes are layer missing when exporting 200 and 400% PNG images. Note template compatibility issue between import-export of A6X and A5X. Basically, if you're transmitting between or synchronizing between A6X and A5X. Then we have partial annotation content block issue. Don't know what that was, but apparently it's fixed. Invalid settings for users defined system font in EPUB files. Haven't experienced that. And accidental crash symptom when exporting notes. Haven't experienced that either, but great that those are fixed. Now, what's been added? Well, only a couple of things. So the first thing is that we now have more pen and eraser options available for the digest feature. What does that mean? Well, that means that if we go into document and then we kind of mark up area here, and that's our digest, and then we enter inside. Now when we're here, we actually have the floating bar that is basically your standard. So unlike before, I moved it all the way out. Let's move it back there. So unlike before, now we have the full range of pens that are basically standard, the ones that you're used to, and the color options, and the same thing for the eraser as well. You can have your eraser options plus undo and redo. So that's a really nice thing because now my handwritten notes are nice, and I can actually use different brushes should I choose to do so. The next one is in the feedback input, or basically when you're sending a support ticket, you should have an upload history basically. So you will be able to track when which one was sent out. Now I haven't been sending any directly from this device, so I don't have a history, but they say that that's been added, which is definitely a good thing to kind of keep track of things in a nice way. And also just to kind of say you can do handwriting input or keyboard input into the message details, so to speak. And finally, we have two new templates added: college ruled and wide ruled, for standardized ones so that you have a margin on the side, which is of course nice. I mean, it's always nice to have some added ones, and especially when they're actually usable ones, because I do use these quite a bit when I can, or when I can't, I just write my vertical lines. So that's nice to have. Nothing huge, but nice. And finally, the Word documents will or should now, yes, and they do, they open up in repage mode by default to make editing them extremely easy so that you don't have to switch from mode to mode. So that's a good thing to see as well. Well, okay, this is definitely a low-key update, like a maintenance. So mainly they fixed all the stuff, and some of the new things that were implemented in previous update, which was huge, they are now addressing these issues, which is a normal kind of a thing. I do like that they've still managed to add some new functionalities, even though they may be discrete, but they are certainly usable and useful. Update 264, I would say maintenance type of an update, but equally important, and still symbolically updates functionalities by adding just a tiny little bit here and there. Nothing major or groundbreaking here, but it is moving the platform in the right direction for sure. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and ding the notification bell to get notified when new videos on My Deep Guide are released. Thank you so much for watching and for the support. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!